responsibility. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me. Clouds as mean as you ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a...
Hey Hornets, I'm your host Peter Frame. Let's get into this week's buzzworthy announcements.
Thanks, Peter. I'm Carson. Hornets, juniors and seniors are invited to attend college visits at RHS. Go into your Naviance account to see who's coming and register to meet a representative from your favorite schools. A list is also posted outside of student services. Be sure to check back often for updates. If you are interested in acting, editing, or working behind the scenes, join the Film Club and learn what it's like to work in the film industry. Film is always looking for people to work on and off the camera, makeup artists, hairstylists, and fashion experts. Join Film Club every Monday and Wednesday after school in room 232. Please see Ms. Robinson in room 232 for more info. Next week is Homecoming Spirit Week. Monday's theme is Uno colors. Freshmen wear yellow, sophomores wear red, juniors wear blue, and seniors wear green. Tuesday's theme is Game of Life Career Day. Dress up as your favorite dream job. And Wednesday's theme is Wii Sports. Dress like an athlete from Wii Sports. Thursday's theme is Anything But a Backpack. Please remember, you can't bring anything that rolls. So if it rolls, you cannot bring it. And lastly, Friday's theme is a whiteout. Pretty self-explanatory, just wear some white. Homecoming is approaching soon. Next week on September 24th, outside of the atrium from 7 to 10 p.m. That's all the news we have for this week, Hornets. I'll see y'all next week.
Hey Hornets, I'm your host Sarah Schulte, and I'm here with
Miss Wilhelm,
Liam Kozenak,
Miss Simpson,
Lindy Goodlow. And today we're playing Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader?
Are you smarter than a fifth grader? Grab a pencil and a piece of paper.
First question, what planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
Mercury.
Correct.
I don't know.
Pluto, I don't know. Who invented the light bulb?
Thomas Edison.
Thomas Edison.
Was it Thomas Edison?
Yes, it was. Thomas Jefferson. Nope. What is the hardest material known on Earth?
I don't know. Iron.
Rock.
Diamonds? Ooh.
Diamond. Who is on the $20 bill?
Oh my God. Lincoln.
Something Jackson.
Yeah, Andrew Jackson. Okay. It's close enough. Half a point.
I don't know.
Thomas Jefferson. Andrew Jackson. How many stripes are on the United States flag?
13.
Enough.
13. Is it 13?
13. What is the lowest prime number?
1.
Incorrect. It's 2.
1.
1.
0. How many U.S. presidents have there been?
55.
46.
Like 50. I don't know.
45. 46. Very close. What state is Mount Rushmore located in?
Is it Wyoming?
One of the Dakotas.
Half a point. It's South Dakota. Vermont. What are the 3 different states of matter?
Water, like liquid, gas, and solid.
Georgia, Florida, Alabama.
Like states of matter. Like
yeah. Solid, liquid, gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel.
Hey Hornets, welcome to this week's At the Buzzer. I'm your host, Kadarius Bonner, and let's get right into this week's sports news, because we've been going for a while. Our football team has started their season off strong with a 3-1 record. Our first game was against Denmark, and we came through and we beat them 35-10. Our second game was Centennial, and we beat them 35-14. Then we take a road trip all the way to Marietta, where we beat them 24-20 with a pick 6 by Javen Hall to win the ball game. Our most recent game has been against Milton, and you know how we feel about Milton. So we lost to them to 7-14. We lost 7-14. We just couldn't get it done. Even with a valiant effort from our offense and defense on both sides, we just couldn't get the win, man. And you know, that's tough, but we'll see them next year though. Our volleyball team has started their season off rough with a 2-9 record. They've lost 8 games in a row, but they'll be looking to bounce back today, so make sure you come out and support your Hornets. Our softball team has started off their season well with a 7-8 record. It started off a little rocky, but they won 3 games in a row against Blessed Trinity, North Springs, and Johns Creek, and they played Pope yesterday. And the next game is against Centennial, so make sure you come out and support your Hornets. The cross country team has also started off their season. This Friday, they'll be competing in the Southern Showcase presented by Huntsville High, so make sure you go out and support your cross country teams. That's it for this week's At the Buzzer. I'm your host, Kadarius Bonner, and on to student questions.
Who was the 3rd president of the United States?
The 3rd president? Man, that was like George Washington. Yeah.
You heard it here first, folks. George Washington, the 3rd president.
James Madison?
Samuel Adams.
I don't know. I'm terrible. Okay. George Washington.
Bruh.
Don't look at me like that. George Washington.
Oh, God. Oh.
It's not George Washington. That's the first one.
Bill Clinton.
No way, she said Bill freaking Clinton.
Name John.
Abraham Lincoln.
He's 16.
Not John Quincy Adams.
Not John Adams, not George Washington. It's not Madison. No.
I feel like I'm stumped. My brain's not there.
All right, that's all right. This is our principal, by the way.
Barack Obama.
Correct. Okay. Where is the Hawaii Ocean? I'm sorry. No. Wait. Where is Hawaii located?
Pacific Ocean.
Atlantic. Is it the Pacific?
Lake Lanier.
Lake Lanier?
Oh my God, bro.
What ocean? Don't do this to me. I'm gonna look like an idiot.
That's the point.
I want to say Pacific.
The ocean.
Which one?
Pacific Ocean.
Very specific. All right. If you had to, would you?
What we doing?
No, but only if you could.
Yeah, I probably would. Yes.
Why?
Because I can. And I want to. And I have to.
Thank you.